So I was riding this nice track here on a new area, and guess what, my GoPro battery just died. So what I'm going to do now, I forgot to take my spare batteries, and that's it. I wanted to record this, but that's not possible. Well, luckily that's going to be sorted with the new XTAR charger here that I'm going to show you in this video review. So the XTAR GP2, it's a dual battery charger that can work with batteries ranging from GoPro 5 to GoPro 10. This has an internal battery, so it's like a power bank that charges two batteries at the same time. It charges both in about 1 hour, so it's a good fast charger. Also, you can use this as a USB charger, so if you connect this to a mains adapter, it will prioritize first to charge your batteries, and when they are done, it's going to charge its internal battery. It has here some LEDs. It's too bright outside to see them with the camera, but you can see them with your eyes. So here is the internal battery level, and here it shows red, and red that is charging both batteries. When both batteries are done, both indicators will go green. So you can use this in two ways. Kind of a portable wireless charger for your batteries, because the batteries are inside. You can travel with this, so you can use several batteries when you film. One battery is the camera, the others are charging, just replace them and they will charge again. Also, this adapter comes with a Qualcomm certified 3.0 quick charger with power delivery port. So this has several output voltages, and it will automatically adjust for best charging rates, not only for your GoPro but also for your GoPro original charger, for your mobile phone. So this is pretty good technology here, and comes included with this, so you can charge it faster. Also, because you know that Hero 8, 7, 6 and 5 batteries are smaller than the Hero 9 and 10 batteries. This is a Hero 9 battery. They include you this adapter, and this will keep your battery like that. You can also use this adapter with your GoPro. In case of emergency, you can use a GoPro 8 battery in your GoPro 9 or GoPro 10. It's not recommended because this will be drained by the camera very fast, but nonetheless, it's an emergency, you can use that. And this also keeps the battery stable in the charging case, so the contacts will align properly. You might say that the GoPro Hero 9 and 10 charger is a solution. Well, it's not a good solution when you travel, because the battery, although it fits here, it doesn't stay in there. So if you put this in your backpack, the battery will just go out of the charging contacts and it's not going to charge. And the charger might be a bit smaller than the portable one from XTAR, but you need also a power source, so you are going to need probably a power bank, which is a lot more, and you are going to have a cable dangling, so you get a lot of stuff with the batteries poking out, and it's not going to be very reliable. And if you have a GoPro 9, the battery, although it could make contact here, it will just rattle away and fall off from the charger, so it's not a solution. The XTAR is the solution. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.